The sound alone shows that this was a mighty flood, but the visuals drive home just how significant and dangerous the massive rainstorm was underground. Keep in mind as well, each station has an electrified third rail which can be hazardous when in contact with water, and that water really has nowhere to go.
The videos that I'm seeing for the Ida remnants are by far the worst I've ever seen.
Rick McGuire has been the country's top compiler of subway videos for more than a decade. He says that even he was shocked at what he saw and says the videos should send a message.
I know that there's not a lot of money to go into projects like this, but I mean, if you think about the repercussions of not updating the subway system, it's going to be even more money.
For now, this was a sight at many stations throughout the nearly 670-mile system. Overnight, as the MTA's alert page pointed out, all of the subway lines were shut down, which left some trains stranded. Maintenance crews are on hand today at many of the locations where people had to be evacuated down subway tunnels to safety last night. And by Thursday evening, all but one of the 26 subway lines had some kind of delay or maintenance work. And when people got to the train,
I was waiting for the bus. The bus was completely filled. So I'll keep walking.
I'm trying to get back home now to Brooklyn. I don't even know how I'm going to go back home.
And where trains are running, it's slow going. People had already been waiting 4 minutes when we got onto this platform. When the train finally pulled in, it was 15 minutes later, a nearly 20-minute wait. The governor and acting MTA chief warned that severe weather events will happen again, and they have to be better prepared.
We've done a lot for coastal resiliency. How are we going to start to deal with this flash flooding problem? Today was a day that we actually had scheduled a series of outings to do that. Clearly, it is more urgent than ever.
And with delays still being across the system right now, there is a chance that some lines will still have delays for the morning rush. You definitely want to keep it with Pix 11 News tonight and in the morning and across all of our platforms in the meantime for the very latest information.